Have you ever wished to explore the infinite worlds within your dreams? To soar through the sky, to breathe underwater, or to bend reality itself? With lucid dreaming, you can. It's the incredible ability to become aware that you're dreaming while you're in a dream. Imagine the possibilities. You could conquer your fears, face your subconscious, or even have the most awesome adventures imaginable, all within the boundless playground of your own mind. In this video, I'll guide you through 3 simple steps to help you start lucid dreaming tonight. All right, dream explorers, the first step to becoming a master of the dream realm is simpler than you might think. It all starts with remembering those incredible nighttime adventures. That's where our trusty sidekick comes in, the dream journal. Think of it as your personal logbook for charting the unexplored territories of your subconscious. Keep a notebook and pen on your nightstand, or if you're more of a digital voyager, download a dream journal app on your phone. The important thing is to make it easily accessible from your sleepy haven. Now, here's the key. As soon as you wake up, before you even think about checking those notifications or grabbing that coffee, grab your journal and start writing. Jot down everything you can remember from your dream, no matter how fragmented or strange it might seem. What were the characters doing? What emotions were you feeling? What bizarre landscapes did you traverse? These details, my friends, are the breadcrumbs that will lead you deeper into the labyrinth of your mind. Now, let's talk about reality checks. No, I'm not talking about those awkward moments when your friend points out spinach in your teeth. I'm talking about training your mind to question the very fabric of your reality, to become a detective of the waking world. Throughout the day, take a few moments to pause, look around, and ask yourself the crucial question: am I dreaming? It might seem silly at first, but trust me, this is where the magic starts to happen. To really put your reality to the test, try looking at your hands. In the dream world, hands often appear distorted, with fingers changing length or morphing into something entirely unexpected. Another trick is to check the time. Clocks in dreams often behave erratically, with hands spinning wildly or numbers blurring together. By incorporating these reality checks into your daily routine, you're essentially planting seeds of doubt in your mind, seeds that will eventually sprout in the fertile ground of your dreams. Chapter 3. Step 3. The power of intention. Planting the seeds of lucid dreams. We've reached the final step, dream architects, and it's all about harnessing the incredible power of your own intention. Just like setting goals in your waking life, setting an intention before you drift off to sleep can dramatically increase your chances of achieving lucidity in the dream realm. As you lie in bed, your mind and body slowly relaxing into slumber, repeat a simple, powerful affirmation to yourself. Tonight I will know I'm dreaming. Feel the words resonating within you. Visualize yourself becoming aware within a dream. This isn't about forcing anything. It's about gently guiding your subconscious mind, planting the seed of awareness that will blossom as you journey through the night. Remember, the more you practice this technique, the more ingrained it becomes in your subconscious, increasing your likelihood of experiencing those exhilarating moments of dream awareness. Congratulations, dream explorers. You've now unlocked the first 3 steps to embarking on your lucid dreaming adventure. It's like learning to ride a bike. It might feel a little wobbly at first, but with practice, you'll be soaring through your dreamscapes before you know it. Which of these steps will you try tonight? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and techniques to deepen your journey into lucid dreaming and mindfulness. Thank you for watching. Remember, every dream is a gateway to self-discovery. Take your first step tonight.